Okay, so the last few times I've calibrated this controller, the left joystick has been malfunctioning, pushing two directions every time I push the joystick in a direction. The right joystick seems to be fine, and so does the camera tilt control, but I'll show it all here. Oops, control. RC calibration. Ensure they're centered. Feel good. Alright. Up, down, up, down. Looks good. Right, left, right, left. Do a nice 360 through all the limits. Looks good. I'll do the camera control. Left, right, left, right. Seems good. Now I'll do this joystick. Down, up, down, up, nothing. Left, right, left, right, nothing. Now I go down right, up left, up right, down left. Oh, there we go. Now it's starting to do something. So now down left is working, but straight left, oh, straight left looks good. Straight down looks good. Straight up, nothing. Oh. Let's try again. Up, down, oh, up, down, down, down. Down left is going down. Straight right, straight left. Oh, straight left is going up. Up left is going up. Up right is going down. Right is going down some. Left is up. Down left is up. Oh, now it's down. Alright, let's go all the way around. Oh, maybe it's working. I'll be very happy if this is working now. 99 is not the worst. Oh, now it's doing two directions at the same time. Now I'm down left and it's doing up right. Down right is kind of working. No, it's... I don't know what's going on here. Yeah. So down left is showing... Oh, now it's showing down left. Up is showing up. Up right is up. Up right. Or up left is up left. Up right is up right. Down right is down right. Down left is down left. Oh, that's great. Oh, now straight right is doing down. Straight down, it's not working. Yeah, now straight up is not working. Up left appeared to work. Straight up now. Straight up right. So this is up right all the way. Just showing right. Going through right to down. That's working. Down looks okay. Down left looks okay. Left. Up. Left. Straight up. Straight up is now working. It's now up right. Oh, I can't get it to go straight right. There we go. That's straight right. Oh, that's pretty good. Straight down is... See, I need it to go down. It's like, this is terrifying when I'm flying and this happens. So the controller's not doing anything. Oops, push the button on the top there. Yeah, so now down left is going up left. Up right is going just, well, it's going right and down. Like, something is very strange here. So that's up left. Straight up, straight up, straight down, straight down, straight right, straight left, down left, down right, upright, down right, upright, down right, straight up, straight up. This is just, I don't know what's going on, but like this one has been what I would call perfect feeling. Full left, full right, upright, up, down, up, upright, down left, up left, up right, down right. This one is exactly what I would expect and how it feels when I'm flying. This seems correct. But this one, like straight down, it's not doing anything. It's terrifying trying to land this when I went out. So I had to go down right to land it, and then up left to go up, and down right to go down, and then it looks like anything on the right is doing down right, and anything on the left is doing up left. Straight down, I can't get anything. Straight up, nothing. Upright, it's giving me down right. Up left is working now. Oh, but down left is also doing up left. So that's pretty much it. For a second there, I thought it was going to work, but evidently not.